Guys, my blender is up. Plant-based meat chimichangas. Okay, so chimichanga is actually fried burrito, deep fried burrito. But today we're gonna just pan fry the burrito. Alright, just like how I pan fry the quesadilla just now, with using the plant-based meat. And also, I don't need to waste any ingredients. I'm using the same ingredients as my quesadilla. So we also cook sustainably. First things first, I'm going to do this sauce, okay? So the sauce consists of some tomatoes, alright? Ripe tomatoes, put inside here with some garlic and some Indian green chilies, big ones. Let's take out the stem. And some onions, salt. Generous amount of olive oil. Okay, mix it up. Okay, you're gonna roast this for around 5 to 8 minutes at a very high heat. Okay. So we're gonna roast this bell pepper over an open flame. Get the skin all blackened, burnt out, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the skin just by using cold water. So this is the open flame over here. Just put it on top to burn off the skin. So while waiting for it to roast, right, we just stand by a bowl of very cold water. Okay, so make sure all the skin are all burnt up, alright? After we charred the bell pepper, alright, dip it into ice cold water and just remove the skin with your hands, just like that. There it is. We have clean bell pepper to make it into a sauce. Because with the skin, right, it is very fibrous. You cannot get that really smooth texture of a sauce. So this is why we always remove the skin to get that really smooth texture. Beautiful. Take out all the seeds. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, so remove the seeds. Put it inside the blender together with our roasted veggies just now. Add a bit of olive oil. Serious, bro? Guys, my blender is up. And that is why it's very important for us to be good to our neighbors. Okay, I already borrowed my blender, the blender from my neighbor, and transfer all the ingredients in, and we blitz it. Oh, amazing, man. See the smoothness? The sauce. So just add in some salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. Butter. Alright? So that the sauce will be much more shinier in color and get that robust, wholesome taste to the sauce. The sauce is done, so right now we're just gonna wrap up the chimichanga into a burrito, then we're gonna pan fry it, alright? So, tortilla skin, right? What I have here is some buttered rice to get the base of the burrito itself. Filling for the quesadilla just now. Mozzarella cheese. Spread it out from the sides first, just like that. And then from behind, you pull it up, and then you pull it in, close it up on the sides, and you just roll it up. You got yourself a fantastic piece of burrito. Opening here, alright, down first. So you want to really crisp up the opening there so that it just doesn't fall off when you turn it. Okay guys, so once the tortilla skin have crisped up, so you now can overturn it without even worrying that the filling will overflow out. So we have the sauce ready, right? Okay. Cut it into an angle. Put it here. Blue cheese. Sour cream. Finish it off with some coriander leaf. A dash of paprika. Lime wedge. So there you have it. Our pan-fried chimichanga with bell pepper sauce. Now, as you can see, it's makan time. Sour cream and the sauce. You wouldn't know the difference if it's real meat or plant-based meat, because the flavors are all intertwined together. It's buzzing. Gonna make love with this, and I'll see you soon on the next one.